Popularly known as Adele in the music world, Adele Laurie Blue Atkins, born on May 5, 1988 in Tottenham, London, is an English singer-songwriter who began singing at a tender age of 4. Adele spent much of her youth playing the guitar and singing to friends. She attended the Brit School for Performing Arts and Technology. For a class project, she had recorded a 3-song demo and given it to a friend. The songs on the demo were Hometown Glory, Daydreamer and My Same. The friend posted the demo online on MySpace, a social networking service where it became very successful and caught the attention of Richard Russell, the label boss of XL Recordings. When they contacted her, she thought they were interested in giving her a job in A&R. According to Adele, she wanted to help other people sell records. Interestingly, Adele doubted if the offer was real because she only knew about Virgin Records at the time, so she attended a meeting with a friend, where she found out that the label was interested in signing her. Adele had stated in interviews that she was concerned about losing creative control over her music and wanted to make sure she was working with a label that supported her vision. She eventually decided to sign with XL Recordings after they promised her the creative freedom she desired. Before she signed to the label, Adele first collaborated with Rickstar on Be Divine, a single which was released on January 23, 2006. When 18-year-old Adele signed to XL Recordings in September 2006, just 4 months after her graduation, a member of staff assumed she was an intern and asked for a cup of tea. In 2007, she also provided backing vocals on My Yvonne, the 9th track on Jack Penate's debut studio album, Matinee, which was released by XL Recordings. Adele is not credited as a featured artist on the song. However, she is credited as a backing vocalist in the album's booklet. On October 22, 2007, Adele officially released her debut single, Hometown Glory. Adele wrote Hometown Glory when she was only 16, and it was the first song she ever wrote. She reportedly wrote the song within 10 minutes, after an argument with her mother who tried to persuade her to go to a university outside London so she would learn to be independent. Adele has described Hometown Glory as a tribute to West Norwood in London, the place where she grew up and the people who helped her become who she is today. The song was a sleeper hit as it failed to chart initially. However, the single later enjoyed chart success in some European countries and enjoyed platinum certification in the UK. Adele got her big break when she released her second single, Chasing Pavements, on January 14, 2008, 2 weeks ahead of her debut album. The singer wrote the song after an argument with her then boyfriend. She had been trying to express her feelings to him, but he wasn't receptive, so it seemed as if she was chasing pavements while trying to make the relationship work. Apparently, she even cancelled her US tour dates to be with him. After finding out that he cheated on her, she expressed that she regrets that decision. Adele's Chasing Pavements was her first hit. The single topped the charts in Norway and reached the top 10 in 8 countries, including the UK. Adele then released her debut album, 19, on January 28, 2008. The album is named after the age she wrote and composed many of its songs. It contains 12 songs including 4 singles: Hometown Glory, Chasing Pavements, Cold Shoulder, released on April 21, 2008, and Make You Feel My Love, released on October 27, 2008. Daydreamer, First Love, and Crazy For You are amongst other songs on the album. Adele's 19 became a global success, reaching number 1 in many countries. The album sold over 70,000 copies in its first week and over 8.4 million copies worldwide. Moreover, the album debuted at number 1 in the UK and reached a peak of number 4 on the US Billboard 200 in 2012. Adele's 19th album is now certified double platinum by the Recording Industry Association of America. Additionally, Adele won her first Grammy Award for the Best New Artist at the 51st Annual Grammy Awards, as well as the award for the Best Female Pop Vocal Performance for Chasing Pavements. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Do you want to know how your favorite celebrity got their big break? Drop their names in the comment section and we will create videos about them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell for more videos like this. Manabu, see you next time.